Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. My favorite makeup today is this. This is the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored. I'm not wearing this today, but I was actually wearing it last night at a show, and all the photos came in today, and it looks so good, and I was just super excited about it. It looked really beautiful in the pictures, plus it looked really beautiful in person. I was a really big fan. It did transfer a little bit and got on my face a little bit because it rubbed off on my microphone, so that was a little annoying, but I will say that like the color looked amazing the whole night, and it really just pulled my whole outfit together, so I really enjoyed this last night. And now on to the video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at makeup that I completely forgot that I bought. So the subject of today's video is going to be this. This is the Sephora Pro Pigment Palette in the shades Neon. So these are the shades that it comes with. I believe this costs $20 and you get 6 shades. I completely forgot this was there. I was trying to put my stuff away and this was like sticking out. And I was like, what is this? And I completely forgot that I bought it. I even did a video about this and I liked it at the time, but I had completely blocked out that I had it whatsoever. Because I was looking at the metallic one that showed up on the Sephora app, and I was like, ooh, do I need that? I don't know if I've tried any of those. Like, no, I did. I absolutely did, and I forgot that I had it completely. So I decided I was going to pull this out today, and I was going to do a look with it and see if I like it or if I should just declutter it. And also, if I don't like it enough, I certainly don't need to buy another one. So let's get started. So what I would really like to use today are these 3 shades, so the green, the pink, and the purple. But, you know, I might take a little bit of everything. I think for fun, I'm going to take this pink shade and I'm going to put that all across my lid and up into my crease. I don't know what that's going to look like, but you know, let's try it anyway. If I recall correctly, I'm pretty sure that the pigmentation on this was pretty good, but I did get some fallout on some of the colors, and I used it for the video, and I think I might have worn it out once, but then I never used it again. I mean, I went traveling not long after that, and I just decided not to take it, but I literally forgot that it existed. Like if you'd asked me to go do a rundown of like all of the palettes in my collection, I would have not remembered this. And I'm trying to declutter right now because I need to move, so I gotta pack up some stuff. So I just need to not take anything that I don't really need. And if this is not great quality or like really wows me today, I don't need to keep this. It needs to get decluttered. Oh, I will say the pink is definitely, you know, very pigmented considering how little I put onto my brush. So, you know, I'm not mad about that. All right, I think I'm gonna blend this out a little bit though. It is powdery in the pan. That is a little bit frustrating. I think I'm going to take a little bit of that white shade and sort of put that in my brow bone and try to lighten this up a little bit. Alright, so I'm enjoying that so far. I think I'm going to take a little bit of this purple shade and I'm going to bring that towards the outer corner. I'm not sure exactly how I want to use that green, but somewhere really entertainingly. I am enjoying the pigmentation on this purple. I thought this was the color I didn't like, but I do like it very much today, so I must be wrong about that. I think now I'm going to take some of that green shade and I'm going to run that along the lash line on the top, and I'm thinking I might actually take the blue and run it along the bottom. I'm also going to take the green, I think, a little bit underneath the lash line before I connect it with the blue. So I'm actually going to take a little bit of the blue and also take that on the top lash just to sort of tie this together a little bit. And I actually kind of like the way this turned out. I will say that this shadow is really powdery, like annoyingly powdery. I know like Subculture is also really powdery, but like it's a little messy. It's kind of like using like pastel chalks, and I don't know how I feel about that. So while I am liking it, I mean obviously this is like a weird funky look because these are weird funky colors and I tend to use one palette at a time anyway. So I don't hate the way this looks. However, I don't think that this is necessarily worth keeping. And in fact, I think I am going to declutter this because while I'm enjoying the fun looks here, this is very, very powdery and I have almost all of these shades in a better formula. So I think actually this is makeup I forgot I used and I don't need to keep it. So I'm actually going to be decluttering this. I'm going to give this away to a friend. Well, you know, I feel better after doing that because now I know how I actually feel about it and it's okay to let this go. It's okay. Did I waste money? Probably, but you know what? It's all right. You know, sometimes, you know, makeup just doesn't work out for you. It doesn't mean I didn't like it at the time, but you know, it doesn't serve me now. So I'll move on from that and it'll be okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. If you've got a suggestion for a video, please let me know in the comments down below, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!